Sustainability in the business context is extremely essential to mainstream. And sustainability means really looking at the social impacts the business has across its entire value chain and its production. Very clearly about the environmental impacts that a business has. And of course, financial viability is also key. So if a business just does very well in social and environmental, but is not making profits, then sustainability cannot be attained. So it is clearly, the people, planet and profit all together. I think some of the easy targets for business are very much their day-to-day sourcing needs. It could be as small as, stationery needs in their offices, to packaging material for their products, to a large amount of logistics and distribution that companies do, which is everyday opportunities to look at. Can I look at a 5%, 10%, 2% reduction in my carbon footprint, in my sourcing more sustainably for a set of products? Could be any of that. What I'd like to kind of share with you in a minute is what we as the Shell Foundation, why are we here really? We as a foundation started work on sustainable livelihoods really with marginal groups on the ground, but realized that unless and until retailers, large brands, shifted the way they sourced, poverty impact for these marginal groups could never be achieved. And so now we really look at creating ethical intermediaries who can help catalyze and transform retail chains and help them look at a shift on how they source. So for us, we're currently working in cotton with a fashion brand, but we're looking at building on that clientele. But the objective really is how do you replicate that small marginal group producer? So it could be a farmer or a small producer who is living on the brink in terms of his sustainability. How do you address large brands to source more sustainably from these groups, and thereby impact their business positively, also impacting poverty in a positive manner. So I think from our perspective as a foundation, we look at brands really making a change, not just in the whole environmental and social impacts, but also on the poverty radar. I think it's a great opportunity for people across sectors to learn and share from each other. Clearly, I don't think any of us is doing enough. There is the potential to do a lot more in this sector on sustainability, whether it be around water or energy or any of the other waste or recycling work. I'm sure each one of us can go back from here with at least one concrete or two concrete actions on what we can do, and also be able to link up with others and learn from their best practices.